Hello friends! In today's video, we will learn what ComfyUI is, how to install it, and how to create AI images using it. ComfyUI is a free AI tool that lets you create images, videos, and audio through a visual workflow. In most AI tools, we simply type a prompt into a text box. But in ComfyUI, you connect different blocks, called nodes, to each other. This gives you more detailed control over every step of the AI generation process. So, let's get started. First, open comfy.org in your browser. Here, you will see several options, such as download, desktop, launch cloud, and GitHub installation. The cloud option may require payment. So, for beginners, the desktop version is usually the easiest option. Click on the desktop option and download it. If you are an advanced user, you can also install ComfyUI through GitHub. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. During installation, you will see two options, Cloud and Local. Select the Local option, then click Continue. After that, you can enter any name you like. Leave the remaining settings as default and start the installation. Once the installation is complete, the ComfyUI interface will open. On the left side, you will see options for images, video, audio, and different AI models. First, click on Getting Started. Here, you will find several ready-made templates. Some templates are for creating AI images, some are for videos, and others are for audio generation. For this example, we will select the text-to-image template. After opening the template, you will see a node-based interface. If you see an error on the right side, do not worry. This usually happens because the required AI model has not been downloaded yet. Click on the Show Missing Models option in the error message. You will now see the models required for this workflow. For example, for text-to-image, you may need to download a model. Click on Download All. This model may be around 2 GB or more, so the download may take some time. Once the model is downloaded, the workflow will be ready to use. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can also hold the middle mouse button to move around the workflow on the screen. Here, you will see different nodes. One of the nodes will be called Clip Text Encode. This is where you write your prompt. A prompt is the description you give to the AI. For example, I will write, "A beautiful, photorealistic, purebred golden retriever dog, dark background." This is our positive prompt. In a positive prompt, we write the things we want in the image. Below that, you will also find a negative prompt option. In the negative prompt, you can write the things you do not want in the image. For example, blurred image, deformed face, extra legs, bad anatomy. This helps the AI create a better image. Below that, you can also change the image size. You can set the width and height according to your needs. You can also select how many images you want to generate. For this example, I will select only one image. In the sampling section, you will find an option called Seed. By changing the seed, you can create different variations using the same prompt. For now, we will leave it at the default setting. Now click on the Run button at the top. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate our image. You can view your generated image in the Assets section on the left side. From there, you can also download and save the image. Sometimes the first image may not look perfect. For example, the dog's head may not look correct, or the image may not appear realistic enough. This is normal in AI image generation. To improve the result, make changes to your prompt. I will improve the prompt and also change the image size. For example, I will set the image size to 800 by 512. Now, click the Run button again. Within a few moments, a new image will be generated. You can see that the new image is more beautiful, clearer, and has a better size. This was only a basic example. In ComfyUI, you can add more nodes according to your needs. For example, if you want to crop an image, you can add a Crop Image node to the workflow. To do this, right-click on an empty area. Then go to the Nodes menu. Here, you will find many different options. I will select the Crop Image node. Now connect this node to the image output. Then connect the Crop Image node to the Save Image node. Next, set the crop width and height. For example, set the width to 300 and the height to 300. Click the Run button. Now, the AI will crop the image. If the dog is not visible in the cropped area, it means the crop position is not correct. You can adjust the crop settings and position to get the result you want. This is one of the best features of ComfyUI. You can modify every node according to your needs. You can create workflows for image generation, image editing, image to video, audio generation, and many other tasks. Now, if you want to save your workflow, click on the Starter or Workflow menu at the top. Give your workflow a name. For example, I will name it Image Cropping Generator. Click Confirm, and your workflow will be saved. Later, you can go to the Workflow section and use your saved workflow again. ComfyUI also includes many other templates. For example, image to video, photography, image editing, and workflows for different AI models. You can modify these workflows according to your needs and use them for your own projects. So friends, this was a basic introduction to ComfyUI. If you are interested in AI image generation, video generation, or audio generation, ComfyUI is a powerful and useful tool. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye!